Hi everyone, and welcome back to the blog. If it's your first time joining us, my name's Alicia, and this week I'm joined by Dr. Russ over at Rockside Family Dental Care. Dr. Russ, how are you doing today?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good.
So in this week's video, we're addressing something really important. You're gonna be giving us a COVID-19 update, and you're gonna talk about the different procedures that the office has put in place to not only protect your patients, but to protect your staff too. So I'd like to go ahead and just turn it over to you for you to tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so over the past year with COVID around, we've had to change things a bit in the dental office in regard to, obviously, number one, social distancing, where we don't really have the waiting room like we used to. We have to keep people socially distanced, so now everybody's, clustering up. But also, there's measures that we've taken also so we don't have patients, too many patients in the office at once. We actually lengthened most of our appointments to accomplish that. When you come into the office as well, obviously we have a health questionnaire, make sure everybody's healthy, but also monitoring temperatures. And that goes for both the patients and the staff. And then as we look at keeping everybody safe, we also have to look at our personal protective equipment. So our masks and our gowns and face shields and all those types of things. We spent a lot of time during our downtime when the office was actually closed because of COVID, getting all of those things together. Also we did do some investing in, some extra machines to help kind of keep the air clean. When you come in, you may see that we have these external suction machines. They actually pull all the aerosols out of the air, especially around, people's mouths, so keep them nice and healthy. And the big thing that we've seen is sanitation of the office, which has always been a huge thing for us, keeping the office, spick and span. And I always like to tell patients, they have real professionals that have been doing this sanitation for years. Keeping all of the surfaces clean and those operatories clean, and our staff. And with COVID, it's just actually increased. So they're very safe coming into the operatories and into the office.
Yeah, it sounds like it, from the minute they get there, when they're in the lobby, social distancing, everyone's wearing their masks, face shields, you're staggering those appointments, temperatures and questionnaires. You really do it all to make sure that your staff and your patients stay safe. And yes, like you said, even with sanitation, you're no stranger to that. Dental offices have always sanitized after each patient and the operatories and stuff like that. So it's nothing that you should stress too much about. If you have any questions at all about your upcoming appointment, and you are a little nervous about COVID-19, please give them a call. They can answer any questions for you and help ease those nerves, but just remember that you are going to be safe at your next appointment. So also make sure that you're just checking out our weekly blogs and learning more about the services that Rockside Family Dental Care offers at rocksidefamilydentalcare.com. Thanks so much for watching.